This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so this is a patch video to homework week 4. And basically what I want to show you is that you need to divide your sum that you created in SPSS and put in Excel by the n and then multiply it times 100. So just to remind you of where we are, in the data, you have created, you've first counted your variables. You've counted you've counted the favorable. You recoded them into favorable and unfavorable and neutral. You've counted the favorable. You've counted the unfavorable. You've counted the neutral, and you've counted the total. Then to create the actual favorable and unfavorable and neutral variables, you divide each of those respective counts by the total. Okay, and then when you come up with those, you're just going to ask for the sum through analyze descriptive descriptives. And I'm going to put, I've only done 3 here. So I'm going to put them over, take all of this out, put in the sum. Now my SPSS is acting up, so it hasn't been letting me get into my data set, and then it makes this disappear. But let me just run it again. So you can see it, all right? So here are the numbers that I have typed into here. And so you'll see for, actually make this smaller. For compensation favorable, this is this number 4282 over here, 42.82, divided by the n, 121, multiplied times 100. Similarly, the unfavorable is 49.15, which you'll find here, divided by 121, multiplied by 100. This makes this add up to 100%. The sum is 100. Okay, and then the same thing is here, although this n has changed to 118, and the same for these 3, and then for these 3, the n is 119. So you're going to follow that down for all of your dimensions, and then when you make this chart, insert bar chart, and you could make it this way too if you wanted. Now it goes to now it's all contained within 100%, and this one is not the way I want it to look, so I'm going to right click, select data. It looks a bit different here in my Mac, but I'm just going to switch the row and the column. Okay, now it looks a little bit better. So this is just a video to show you when you take it over to Excel, you have to divide by the n and multiply by 100 to get it to look this great. So I hope this helps, and good luck on your homework.